Is the comeback on? Former world record holder ASAFA Powell sent social media into overdrive when he posted this video on his social media pages of him training. And the video is captioned, "Paris, here I come." And then he added, "for vacation." Now the question is ASAFA testing his body to see what he's capable of doing? The fact of the matter is that male sprinting, the times being posted at the moment, are not that deadly. And the question is, can he get himself in shape to be competitive? ASAFA Powell, of course, has gone as fast as 9.72 seconds and has broken the world record in the 100 meters on several occasions. Now, ASAFA Powell is 41 years old, and we remember that Kim Collins won the world title when he was 40. So, can one of the greatest sprinters of all time make a comeback and be competitive? Well, the fans want it, and track and field probably does as well. But what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And in the meantime, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to JamFet, celebrating the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.